If you're a vegan or a vegetarian, you're probably going to want to change the channel right about now, because today I'm going to show you how to make a real man's burger. Let's get started. So the first step to a real man's burger is bacon. You gotta have the bacon. We're gonna smoke it on the Rectech. Now you can use whatever grill you have. You know, if you have a charcoal grill or a wood burning grill, pellet grill, use whatever you have. Let's just get some bacon on the grill. That way we can get these burgers fixed up. I always do thick cut bacon, and I'm gonna smoke it at about 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or so. But, you know, finish it to the texture that you like. If you like it a little crunchier, smoke it for a little longer. If you like it a little softer, you can do it a little less. So if you want a perfect burger, you gotta have perfect ground beef. If you haven't tried Snake River Farms ground beef, oh man, you're missing out. You got to go ahead and get on Snake River Farms website and try this stuff out. This is going to give you a perfect burger. But we've got a secret ingredient. Whoop. That's right, boys and girls. We're going to make bourbon bacon burgers. It doesn't get any better than that. And this is from Dogfish Head, my local brewery. Some of you guys, well, probably a lot of you guys have probably heard of them. They make great beer, but they also make a good line of spirits as well. We're not making meatloaf, we're making burgers. So the only thing that's going in my burger is onion. Each one of these is a pound. So I'm gonna make 4 half-pound burgers. Let's put a little of our special ingredient in. How much you use is, well, it's up to you. Gotta have a little bit of spice on your burgers. The trick about mixing burgers, you don't want to overdo it. You just want to get it just mixed enough to get the flavors all blended together, and that's it. Make sure the onions are all distributed nice and evenly. Get that spice all distributed nice and evenly. And most importantly, get that bourbon all nice and displaced nice and evenly. Now to keep your burgers from cracking, I use a little mold like this. Like I said, I'm trying to do about 4 half-pound burgers. So I'm gonna kind of divide them up. Make sure they're about even. I think that's about right. I'm just gonna put it down into the mold. That's it. Oh man, they smell good. Push down, make sure you get a nice rounded edge, nice and compacted. Pull up on the mold and then just kind of finesse the shape with your hands, get the edges nice and round. That's a pretty burger. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that looks good. Everybody likes their burgers differently as far as doneness. We're at 124 now. And I only want to flip these guys one time. So now is going to be that time. Go ahead and flip. We're almost there. Man, they look good. They've been on for about 15 minutes or so. And I think they're probably gonna take a total cook time of about 25 minutes. These are pretty big burgers. Let's see where we are. Oh man, they look good. They smell good. 154, 156, 155. Ooh, that one's a little further along. We gotta pull that one. We gotta get cheese on them, and then we'll pull them off. 160 is medium well. That's where I want to be, and we're there. So we're gonna put some pepper jack on these guys. Well, on two of them. The other two, I'm gonna put some white American. Big old piece of pepper jack. Now, when you're making a real man's burger, you keep it real simple. Your burger, your bun, your bacon, and just a little bit of ketchup. I'm using those onion rolls. You guys had those onion rolls? Oh my gosh, those are insane. Mash her down. Just cut like this. Gosh, this thing looks good. Juicy, flavor is just, I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. We got the smoke, the bacon, that pepper jack cheese, the onion roll. This is a real man's burger, my friends. Before we take a bite of this real man's burger, we gotta start it out right. Prep the palate with a little bit of bourbon. Cheers. So smooth. That Dogfish bourbon, so smooth. On ice. Let's see what this guy's all about. Man. That could be the best burger I've ever had. I want to give you one other option with this burger. Barbecue sauce. Sub out the ketchup with some barbecue sauce. That's what I'll do with my next one. I'll probably eat that for dinner. But the ketchup's good too. But with some barbecue sauce, oh man, you don't get any better than this. Make sure you try that Snake River Farms beef, that Wagyu beef. Mix it with some bourbon, put some bacon on it, and make sure you have an awesome day. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me, guys. That's where that.